morning everyone. In this session we will study about the chemical properties of benzene. Okay, so in the chemical reaction of benzene there are various reactions given. First reaction is addition reaction. Now what is addition reaction? The reaction in which the new group or the atom is added to the ring is addition reaction. Okay, any substance. And the next reaction in the benzene is substitution reaction. You can see here the substitution reaction is the reaction in which any group or the atom from the ring is substituted by or replaced by new group. Okay, replaced by a new group or a new atom in the ring. So it is substitution reaction. So there are two reactions of benzene is given. First, addition reaction, the first reaction is what? Addition of chlorine, halogen atom. So when benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of bright sunlight or UV light, ultraviolet light, adds 3 chlorine, or in this reaction, in addition reaction, the aromaticity of benzene ring is lost. You can see in the reactant molecule, the benzene is having alternate double single bond. There is a conjugation, but after reacting with chlorine, after addition reaction, the product which is formed is not an aromatic compound. Okay, the chlorine is added to every carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chlorine atom is added here. Okay, so we'll balance the reaction by multiplying 3 into Cl2. Okay, Cl2 into 3 will multiply, and this reaction is balanced, and 6 chlorine atom is added on 6 carbon atom. So the compound which is formed is called benzene hexachloride, BHC, and it is what? Insecticide. Okay, this compound is insecticide, and gamexane is also called gamexane reaction. Okay, so we can the next reaction is just a second. Yes, so the next reaction is addition of hydrogen atom. Okay, the reaction is similar to the addition of chlorine. In this reaction, the hydrogen atom is added to every carbon, and the aromaticity of benzene ring is lost, and the molecular formula will change to C6H6 to C6H12. Okay, so it is a conjugated, the reactant molecule is benzene, it is a conjugated ring, but after formation of product, or when product is formed, the product is what? Cyclohexane, and it is not an aromatic compound. Okay, so the reaction mixture, the benzene is treated with the hydrogen gas, and this gas is passed through over the heated catalyst nickel at 453 Kelvin to 470. It is a temperature. Okay, this value is temperature 453 to 473 Kelvin. So the cyclohexane ring is formed here. Okay, this ring is what? Cyclohexane ring. And the nickel Ni is metal catalyst. So this reaction is carried out in the metal catalyst, and hydrogen gas is used here. So it is addition of what? Addition of hydrogen. So we'll see the reaction. So this is benzene ring. If we are adding chlorine in presence of UV light, the molecular formula of benzene, see, the one hydrogen atom is present on every carbon atom. Okay, in the ring. H, and H. So when chlorine is reacted with benzene, okay, in presence of UV light or sunlight, UV light, so this double bond will break, this pi bond will break, and on each carbon one hydrogen atom and one chlorine atom is present. Okay, one Cl and H, Cl, H. So this is what, let's see it. And see. So there are total 6 chlorine. So the name of the compound is benzene hexachloride. Okay, hexa means 6. Hexachloride, benzene hexachloride. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, so next reaction is same. Yes, we will balance the reaction by multiplying 3. Okay, the next reaction is same. This reaction is in presence of Ni, nickel chloride, and H2O gas is passed. Okay, and temperature is also maintained here. So the reaction, the benzene will reduce, addition of hydrogen is taking place. Okay, so this is what, cyclohexane. The ring is called cyclohexane, and on the ring there are 2 hydrogen on each carbon. There are 2 hydrogen on each carbon. Okay, like chlorine. So it is cyclohexane. It is a cyclic ring but not aromatic. Okay, it is a cyclic ring but not aromatic because it doesn't have any conjugation. Okay, multiple bonds. Conjugation means alternate double and single bond. Okay. Yes. Now the next reaction is what? The next reaction is addition of ozone. Ozone is what? O3. So when benzene is treated with ozone, okay, in presence of any solvent, inert solvent, tetrachloride, so the benzene triozonide is formed, and after formation of benzene triozonide, this is decomposed by the zinc dust and water to give glycoxyl. Okay, glycoxyl is an aldehyde having 2 aldehydic functionality. See, CHO is what? Aldehyde. C double bond OH. It is triozonide. It is triozonide. See, this ring is what? It is. This ring is having 3 different rings connected by this 2 carbon atom. Okay, this 2 carbon atom, and in each ring there are 3 oxygen and 2 carbon. 3 oxygen and 2 carbons. So see the structure: benzene to triozonide, then benzene to triozonide, and after reacting with zinc dust, it will form glycoxyl. Okay, so benzene reacts with O3. You will draw first 3 rings. These 3 rings. Okay. Now you can see 3 oxygen atom, 2 carbon atom, and 2 oxygen. 3 oxygen, 2 carbon atom in each ring. Okay. So draw. We'll draw oxygen. First we'll draw oxygen here. O. Okay. Now there are 2 carbons. So these 2 are the carbon atom. Now we can draw 2 oxygen like this. So there are total 3 oxygen in the ring and 2 carbon atom. 5 membered ring. Okay. This is 5 membered ring, and this ring is, this 3 oxygen is, this 3 ring is connected by the carbon atom. Okay, this 3 ring is connected by carbon atom. These 2 carbon. This is triazonide, and on the carbon atom there are one hydrogen. So when this triazonide reacts with zinc, it will give what? Ethane diol. Ethane diol is what? Ethane diol is glycooxyl. So we'll see the structure of ethane diol. So ethane diol is C double bond O, C double bond O, H. It is what? Aldehydic functionality. It's connected by second aldehydic group, another aldehydic group. So it is ethane. Yes, there are two carbon atoms. So it is ethane, and diol means two aldehydic groups are present. So the name is ethane diol, and also called glycoxyl. Second is substitution reaction. Now the second reaction is substitution reaction. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophiles are what? Electrophiles are the group having less number of electron, okay, or it is electron having a less number of electron, or it is not an electron rich compound, okay. So these are the electrophilic group: Br, NO2, SO3, R is what? Alkyl group, COR, acyl group. So when this electrophile is substituted by the hydrogen on the benzene ring, the reaction is called substitution reaction. In the substitution reaction, the first reaction is halogenation reaction. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by halogen atom. Okay, see, the first reaction is chlorination. So addition of chlorine is called chlorination reaction. Second reaction is what? Bromination. So addition of bromine is bromination. Then sulfonation, iodination, nitration are the addition reaction. Acylation, addition of acyl group is called acylation. And alkylation, addition of alkyl group is called alkylation reaction. Okay. So these all are substitution reaction. So chlorine, benzene when treated with Cl2, it will in presence of Fe in dark, so chlorobenzene is formed. Okay, only one only one hydrogen is substituted or replaced by a chlorine atom, and the byproduct which is formed at Cl. So chlorine reacts with benzene, okay, in the presence of ferric chloride, anhydrous aluminium chloride, red phosphorus as a catalyst. They are the catalyst, okay, not participating in the reaction. Okay, it will provide the condition, it will speed up the reaction, but it is not participating in the reaction. It is Fe, okay, Fe catalyst. So see, it is used to break down this electrophile Cl. Okay, so Cl positive first in the step, Cl positive will form electrophile, will form generation of electrophile. It is helping in generation of electrophile. Fe, ferric chloride, or aluminium chloride, it is helping in formation of what? Electrophile. So this electrophile on this electrophile will attack on benzene ring. Benzene ring is electron rich compound, and electrophile is electron deficient compound. Okay, so electron deficient compound electrophile is attacking on benzene ring. So benzene is a nucleophile, it is an electron rich compound. So the chlorobenzene is formed. Okay, only one hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine atom. Second is bromination reaction. In bromination, FeBr is used to generate the electrophile or breakdown of Br2. So Br positive electrophile will form, and it attacks on the benzene ring. Benzene is a nucleophile in the reaction. It is an electron rich compound. Iodination is not possible as it is a reversible process. Okay, so iodination is not possible with the iodination. Substitution of iodine, hydrogen by iodine is not possible. So when the excess of chlorine benzene give hexachlorobenzene. Okay, when we are using Cl2 in the excess, okay, large quantity in excess amount in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride as a catalyst, So benzene will give what? Hexachlorobenzene. Hexa means every hydrogen on the benzene ring, each hydrogen on the benzene ring is replaced by the chlorine atom. Okay. So second reaction is what? Nitration reaction. So in the nitration reaction, benzene is, in the benzene ring, hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2 group, and NO2 group is a electrophile, and this electrophile is generated in the presence of concentrated HNO3 nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4. So when this nitrating mixture, the mixture is called what? Nitrating mixture, HNO3 and H2SO4. Benzene with nitrating mixture gives nitrobenzene. When benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrating mixture at about 313 Kelvin and 33 Kelvin, so it gives the nitrobenzene. The electrophile is what? NO2 plus nitronium ion. See, this hydrogen in the benzene ring is replaced by NO2, so it is nitronium ion. And third reaction is what? Sorry, in the reaction, first electrophile will generate. Electrophile is NO2. So H2SO4 helps H2SO4 and nitric acid reacts first, and it generates an electrophile NO2 nitronium ion. This nitronium ion attacks on the benzene and benzene ring, that is nucleophile in the reaction. Okay. The third reaction is what? Sulfonation reaction. In the sulfonation reaction, the same acid is used, H2SO4. Okay. So the benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Okay. Benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. My hydrogen atom is replaced by SO3H group, benzene sulfonic acid. And yes, and the temperature is what? 373 Kelvin gives sulfonic acid. So SO3 is what? SO3 is the electrophile in the reaction. Now most important and the last substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is the name reaction. So in the benzene ring, when we want to add alkyl group, we want to form an alkyl benzene, ethyl benzene, methyl benzene, or any R group. So this chloride, benzene is reacted with chloride, methyl chloride or alkyl chloride. So it will generate a alkyl benzene NHCl, and the reacting in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Okay. So when benzene is treated with an alkyl halide like methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, it gives toluene. The reaction is used to extend the chain outside the benzene ring. Okay. So hydrogen atom is replaced by H, and we can add a more number of carbon atom outside the benzene or on the benzene ring. Okay. So RCl is what? Alkyl halide. It will the electrophile is generating here is R plus alkyl having a positive charge, and AlCl4 minus. So it is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Yes, it is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So the next reaction is acylation. Now what is acyl group? Acyl group is CH3COCl. Just a minute. C double bond O, CH3, and this is what? Cl. So it is what? It is a in this compound, this group C double bond O CH3 group is acyl group. So acylation reaction, and chlorine is replaced or chlorine is removed from this group, and this group C double bond O CH3 group is added on the benzene ring like this. One hydrogen is replaced and this group is added. C double bond O, C double bond O CH3. Okay, it is a acyl group. Acyl group. One hydrogen of benzene is replaced, and byproduct is what? HCl in the reaction. Yes. See, benzene when reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so the first it will generate an electrophile, that is C double bond O CH3 plus. It will attack on benzene ring, that is nucleophile, and it will generate what? 1-phenylethanone. It will generate a ketone ring, acetophenone. See, this ring is called acetophenone. This is C double bond O R. This is R group, okay, and this is AR, aromatic ketone. This is what? Aromatic ketone. So the functionality of ketone is C double bond O R and AR. C double bond O R and AR is the functionality of ketone ring. Okay, it is a functionality of ketone ring. Aromatic ketones. Yes. So it is Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is also an acylation reaction, but in the reaction acetic anhydride is used. Okay, CH3 C double bond O twice. Two acetic acid group connected by the oxygen atom. It is acetic anhydride. Okay, in presence of AlCl3, the byproduct is different here, acetic acid. The ring is same, the product is same, acetophenone, but the difference is what? In the byproduct. What is acetic anhydride? See, I will show the structure to you. C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This two group is connected by the oxygen atom. See, okay. Yes, this is acetic anhydride. It is treated with AlCl3 and form 1-phenyl ethanone and acetophenone. Okay.